my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, Trixie! Try. My god! You got it! You got it! You got it now! My god!
Let's see, Leslie. I got a good video of it.
She got a damn whole head in there.
My god, it's like Minecraft!
Did she get it?
No, but look at her face. Now, did you get it?
Gotta keep on digging, Trixie.
We need to hold crap in.
Good kill, Trixie.
It's panting. What if she stuck her whole body in that thing? And like her tail was sticking out.